Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and today's word is brown. It's an A1 level adjective meaning a dark, earthy color. Brown is a common color we see all around us. Think of chocolate, a brown bear, or the brown bark of a tree. Now, let's explore some words with similar meanings. Some synonyms for brown include chocolate, for example. The puppy had chocolate fur, or tan, such as she wore a tan jacket, and auburn, as in his hair was a rich auburn color. On the flip side, antonyms, or words with opposite meanings to brown, could be white, like in the snow was pure white, and black in a phrase like the car was painted black. Using brown in everyday life is easy. Imagine telling someone, "I have brown shoes," or "Look at that brown bird," or even, "Can I get that in brown?" You might hear someone say, "He has brown eyes," or "She painted the wall brown." Here are a few example phrases. "The leaves turned brown in autumn." That's a beautiful shade of brown. Or, "My favorite coffee mug is brown." To wrap it up, remember brown is a common adjective describing a dark earthy color, related to chocolate, tan, auburn, but opposite to white or black. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word. Please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find our show. Don't forget to create your own sentence about brown and share it in the comments below.